Hello everyone and welcome to Markets Analyzers. Before moving on to the video, I know I am not being consistent with the videos in the channel, but from now on I will try to regularly upload videos, at least 3 videos in each week. If I can, I will upload the videos every day, but 3 videos every week will definitely come from our channel. From Monday to Friday, only the news updates and Nifty price action will be covered. If possible, on Saturdays and Sundays, I will upload some content regarding stock markets. Now coming back to the video. In this week, Nifty moved upside by 1.7%. There was a big event in this week, which was US Federal Reserve interest rate decision. The US Federal Reserve on 18th of this month reduced interest rates by 50 basis points from previous range of minimum 5.25 to maximum of 5.5. It got down to the minimum of 5 to maximum of 5.25. Simply remember, earlier it was 5.25 to 5.50 range. Now it came down to 5 to 5.25 range. This was the first rate cut since 2020. And this rate cut was intended to demonstrate the Fed's confidence in the labor market's continued strength. By cutting rates, the US Fed signaled its confidence about the job market's strength and potential for sustained growth. But actually, if you look at the market's reaction after the rate cuts, markets did not react positively. There was some mixed reactions from experts, but slowly and gradually, markets are hitting new all-time highs. For our markets, our Indian markets, the US Federal Reserve rate cut is expected to have a significant impact on our markets. On the positive side, it may boost foreign investments, it will benefit rate-sensitive sectors like real estate, banking, and it will strengthen Indian rupee also. The key sectors to watch out after these rate cuts are IT, information technology, pharma, banking, followed by financials. These sectors could see increased investments. However, there is also potential negative impacts. The lower interest rates may reduce interest income for banks and financial institutions, once RBI also reduces interest rates. As of now, there is no impact for banks, but if RBI follows the same way that US Fed followed, then banks' interest income might get reduced. The RBI may consider similar rate cuts to maintain liquidity and support economic growth. Overall, the US Fed rate cut is positive. Indian markets will definitely attract more foreign investments after this rate cut. A weakening dollar and falling interest rates in the US are generally positive for emerging markets like India. And coming back to 20th September, Friday, the FIs were net buyers worth 14,064 crore on Indian markets. It's a huge number. Hope their buying continues in our markets. So now coming back to Nifty's price action. Look at this chart on screen. This is Nifty in daily time frame. From past 5 days, there was consolidation. Nifty was staying around a certain zone. But today, finally the breakout happened. And look at the volume of this candle. It's a very big volume and a big candle. I'm expecting upside move in coming days. I won't change my view until Nifty breaks today's low. Today's low is around 25,420. I think Nifty should stay above this level if it really has strength. Now coming back to resistance. The major resistance I am looking is at 26,180 around. It's quite far from the present level, but yes, that's where I am looking at. The support is at 25,400 and resistance at 26,180. In the upcoming week, I hope Nifty hits 26,180 level. If you look at major events, there is jobless claims data which will come out on 26 September. It will impact our markets on 27th. This is the major event in this week. Apart from this, there are no significant events. Friends, if you found the content informative until this point, please try to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Markets Analyzers. Next, let's talk about few interesting stocks news updates which happened in this week. First, let's begin with Amazon. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy has announced that employees will need to return to the office 5 days a week starting January from next year onwards. This means no more work from home full-time. Jassy wants to make Amazon more efficient and innovative like a startup. To achieve this, he is bringing employees back to the office to boost collaboration and creativity, reducing management layers to make decision-making faster, and encouraging employees to report unnecessary procedures or inefficiencies. Global companies like Adobe, Google, and Microsoft are embracing flexible work arrangements. Adobe offers permanent work from home options, while Google allows employees to work from home 2 days a week. Microsoft has adopted a hybrid work model, providing flexibility to its employees. Cisco Systems and Oracle also offer work from home opportunities to promote better work-life balance. A staggering 95% of employees prefer flexible work arrangements according to a survey by FlexJobs. Let's see, will Amazon's move impact other global companies? Bringing employees back to the office will reignite creativity, innovation, and teamwork. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy believes in-person interaction will boost collaboration, decision making, and company culture. And also, studies shows that there will be around 28% increased productivity if employees come to the office, and 50% improved communication, and 30% higher employee satisfaction. It's actually very positive for the company. I don't know what the employees think, but companies will benefit from this move. The next news update is regarding India's rice export. The Indian government has removed the minimum export price MEP and basmati rice, sending shares of companies like LT Foods, KRPL, and Kohinoor Foods soaring. This move came after the international price of basmati variants dropped around 15 to 20% due to reduced orders, resulting in a 10% decline in basmati rice exports to 4.1 million tons in FY24. By removing the MEP, the government aims to stabilize prices and boost exports. India, the world's largest rice exporter, dominates the basmati market with 85% share. This decision is expected to benefit rice exporting companies, which has faced challenges due to lower export sales and higher input cost. With strong demand from US and Middle East, this move could help companies like KRBL, LT Foods, and Kohinoor Foods to regain their momentum. Next, let's talk about Torrent Power. The company has pledged a whopping 64,000 crore towards green projects, standing on its decision to renewable energy. This massive investment is a part of Torrent Power's strategy to reduce its carbon footprint and contribute to India's renewable energy targets. By submitting 2 letters to the Union Ministry of New and Renewable Energy at the RE Investment Conference, Torrent Power has demonstrated its resolve to drive growth in the renewable energy sector. This move is expected to not only boost India's renewable energy capacity, but also to enhance Torrent Power's competitiveness in the market. The 64,000 crore investment will be allocated towards various green projects, showcasing Torrent's power focus on sustainability. As India strives to meet its renewable energy goals, corporate commitments like these play a significant role in driving the progress. So friends, this is today's video. If you found the content informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will come back again with another interesting video. Until then, have a great time.